Cruise food can be delicious. If you have ever been on a cruise ship, you may have had some of these tasty foods. Breakfast buffet. Poolside lunch salad. Szechuan beef with jicama salad and jasmine rice. Broiled strip loin steak with roasted vegetables. Sweet orange souffle. Excursion day buffet. Broiled sirloin steak and onion rings. Gourmet-styled slider. Grilled lamb chops. Caramel cheesecake and chocolate crisp. Yes! Go cruise! Eat and enjoy! Cruise food is delicious. Be sure to like and comment on this video. Watch this channel, subscribe and be notified for more great food ideas. Let's eat! Thanks for watching.